Let's try and vlog this one a little bit. So it's Monday, it's Bank Holiday Monday, but I've got a course down in Milton Keynes at the Volkswagen Training Centre. So I might try and vlog this one a little bit, just so apprentices out there and people that have just joined the group, not quite sure what to expect, is a little bit of it. So yes, it is in my own time, but it benefits me because the company I work for put me up in a hotel room the night before any training courses, which is nice, which means you get down there in good time and you're nice and fresh to start your course the next day, which mine starts tomorrow morning. So I've got my chuddy gums. Hey, I've just at the co-op actually, you'll probably see it behind me. A few essential supplies. And now I'm going to drive 2 hours, about 2 hours, depending on traffic. And yeah, I will see you at the other side at Casa del Premier Inn. Show you where I'll be staying for the next 3 days. See you in a bit. And literally, boom, just like that, 2 hours of driving done. And we've made it from Lincoln to Milton Keynes, right? There's going to be a couple of top tips in this video as well, which I am going to let you know as I go. Top tips: always have a decent sat nav, one that's got the internet connected to it. Everyone's phone is, but you know, it's going to help you navigate the not so great roads that are around here, and speed limits do change and stuff like this, guys. So a DSG is going to be a big friend when you get into Milton Keynes, because you'll see there's lots and lots of roundabouts, and yeah, a manual will just be a nightmare. So guys, when you rock up to your hotel, which I have done, it's literally the other side of this camera, just be mindful that the parking may not be included in your stay. You may have to pay for parking every day, but if you do, make sure you confirm with your boss that that's the situation before you do it. And of course, keep your receipts. You ain't going to get your money back, guys, off your companies if you don't keep your receipts. So anything that's not technically down to your stay, so if you add a little bit of extra sauce onto your tea, you know, you're probably not going to get that back, but definitely keep a receipt just in case. You never know. Companies like the one I work for usually pay for a meal deal or pay for something regarding your food. And anything on top of that, you know, that's on me. I don't drink, but, you know, on top of the normal, I have to pay for, which I don't mind. So now the time's your own. I'm going to go and check in, get me a room, get everything sorted, then I'm going to have some tea because I'm right hungry. And yeah, the night is your own, guys, just like every night that you stay here. All I'm going to say is, this is another top tip, guys. This ain't a drinking sesh with your mates. It's not, all right? You can't drink. It's strictly do not drink at the Volkswagen Training Centre, all right? Breathalyzers do happen, and you know what? It ain't worth it. So don't bother drinking while you're on courses, guys. It's not worth it. But I'm going to shut up chatting now. I'm going to go check in, and yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. And just like that, there's my view of a car park. It's actually really good, you know. It is a Premier Inn, as you can tell by the purple lights, but it's not a bad gig. It's not a bad gig. As easy as that. Checked in. I've got a meal deal. I'm not free to do what I want, but guys, again, I can't stress enough. The drinking sessions, they're not for this. You may get breathalyzed, thrown off the course, and your dealership will get charged. Right, bear that in mind. I can't stress that enough. Short of that, there's everything in Milton Keynes. You've got snowboarding, go-karting, everything. If you've never been to Milton Keynes before, Google Maps is going to be your best friend, but everything's here, everything. And if you're driven, even better. But Milton Keynes is really good for car parks, but they're all council owned, so there's not many free bays, right? So just mind your parking charges. Short of that, guys. Have fun. This is my evening. I'll do a little update in a bit, but this is the start of a training course, and I've got 3 days here, so it's going to be epic as always, but catch you in the next bit.